Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be providing you with a brief demonstration on how you can modify a Dropbox assignment to make it more accessible to students with learning disabilities. Now let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to travel up here to Assignments, and from the drop-down menu, we're going to select Dropbox. From here, you'll see that we have all of our Dropbox assignments created. So we're going to go into this Week 1 Dropbox, and we're going to select Edit Folder. From here, we're going to go over to availability dates and conditions, and we're going to have a start date and an end date. And then from here, we're in this same panel, we're going to go to manage special access. From the manage special access page, we want to make sure that this first option here, which says allow users with special access to submit outside of the normal availability date for this folder. So go ahead and hit add user to special access. And now we're going to go in here and we're going to select has a due date and has an end date. And we're going to give this user an additional week. So we'll do that. And then we need to make sure we select our student. And now that we've done that, we can go ahead and hit save. And then we're going to say save and close. And you can see over here under the manage special access, it says one user with special access. So that's one way we can verify that that was applied. Now that we're done, we can hit save and close. And from this menu here, you can come up and you can hover and it'll say special access has been granted. And that's how you can modify a Dropbox in the Brightspace D2L learning management system. Thanks for joining me.